Hey YouTube, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got Chainsaw Man. The new episode is officially out. And listen, I'm looking forward to it. I think this is the second to last episode of Chainsaw Man for this first season. But of course, as always, we'll certainly see. But I want to say it was 12 episodes. So we're on episode 11 right now. But with that being said, I don't want to hold us up any further. Let's just jump right into the content. I am really looking forward to seeing what this future devil is about right now. Like, hopefully it's something not scary, but you know, here we are. Oh. Okay, it's just like a weird, I don't know, it's the eye's in the center of his chest. I thought the eye was at the top, so okay, I don't know what to expect. I'm like, what do I expect here? I literally don't know. He's like, you don't even entertain me a little bit? Ugh! What the heck? Yeah, same. I keep saying. I don't know about that one. Is he gonna do it? Whoa, it's massive. Okay, live inside your right eye. No, don't tell us. Right. Oh my gosh, stop running that mouth. Whoa, I thought he slapped him. I was like, wait, what? They getting their butt whooped though. That man putting it on them. Oh, so while they're going after the snake lady then. Oh snap. So that's how they're gonna conclude the season, is by going after the snake and the blade man. He's like, shut up. Like, no reaction. Just like, shut up, Denji. Like, what are you talking about? What is she planning? What is she planning? He's a you liar. You a lie. The devil is a lie. Oh, the devil is a lie. Oh, they got people stationed out in front of their hideout. How did they know they were attacking today unless they have someone on the inside too? Oh, he's still alive? Oh my gosh, the zombies are still alive. So the gun devil might be a fiend? They gonna be dead. You don't have to worry about war. Is that what y'all are doing? Oh, y'all, yeah, get your little laughter out. Get your little laughter out. Oh snap. You're like, go ahead if you want to. Oh, he dead. Oh, he dead. He bleeding from the inside. Oh yeah, he dead. Oh. This is crazy. Makima not playing no games. It's interesting that they chose that building. It's very in the middle. It's not a secluded, excuse me. It's not a secluded hideaway. Oh, he's in Special Division 4, I guess. The violence fiend. Spider? Oh, he ate it. Oh, that's one of the gun devil people. He gave me an order. The angel's wing is tough. It wasn't penetrated by the gun. It's so many names to remember. Angel Fiend, Spider Fiend. I guess they're pretty straightforward though, so I shouldn't be that upset. Cause like Chainsaw Man, Blood Devil, Blood Fiend, or whatever. So they also have contracts, but their contracts are with the Gun Devil. Well, I guess it's technically not a contract because it's payment. Oh, that's Makima. We getting too much camera time of Aki. I have a feeling he might not make it past season 1. We getting a lot of Aki camera time. Oh. So that's the power of her snake. Is it can steal whatever devil it eats. We can't let her have the future then. I guess it's not perfect. Wait, that's it? That's all that the future devil can do? I need something better than that, buddy. Why do I feel like Himeno's probably still a little bit in there? I don't know. Is that all that the future devil can do? It just just helps you see into the future? There's no way. There has to be more to it than that. I don't know. I have a feeling that Aki may not get to season 2 with us. Because every time a character in anime gets ready to die, we see a whole bunch of him prior to the death. And we're getting a lot of Aki. Wow, that was a good episode. I'm looking forward to what the last episode is going to bring. I'm guessing it's probably going to be like a very nice, scaled out battle, you know? So I'm really looking forward to it. What did you guys think about this episode? Do you think Aki's end is near, or is the future devil going to actually be more than what we are, seeing? I really don't know. I'm also excited to see how Power and Denji training pay off in this whole little scuffle they're about to have. So I'm really looking forward to the next episode. Chainsaw Man versus Blade Man, or maybe it's like Sword Man. I really don't know what you would call him, but yeah, you guys, what did y'all think about it? Let me know in the comment section down below. And listen, check out this reaction I just did on Bleach. Great episode as well. So if I don't see you in this video right after this one, I'll see you next week for another episode of Chainsaw Man. So with that, bye guys.